This video will teach you how to create your aura. What is an aura? It is an energy such that even behind your back, people are talking about you. People try to impress you, and you influence others without even speaking. Now look, why don't people value you? Why aren't they impressed by you? Why do people forget you after meeting you? But there are some people who always stay in others' minds. Some people's aura is so powerful that no one can ignore them. If you also want to create such an aura that wherever you enter a gathering, everyone's eyes are on you, everyone notices you, everyone looks at you, and everyone tries to talk to you, then don't miss today's video. Because I will tell you only 5 points that will help you create a powerful aura. Do not miss point number 5 by any mistake, because it is the most important. Number 1, value yourself. Look, why don't people value you or respect you? Because you don't value yourself. You don't respect yourself. The image you have created in your mind is that of a loser, a negative person, someone who has no confidence. That's why people don't value you. If you want to create a powerful aura, first you have to change your self-image. You must change the image you have created of yourself in your mind. Only then will people be able to feel your aura. Only then will people see that this person is powerful, that there is something special about them. A powerful person does not look powerful from the outside. Rather, their mind tells them they are powerful. Their inner image makes them powerful, and others can feel this too. So first, understand your own value. Whatever image you are carrying in your mind becomes clearly visible to others. From your face, people can easily read what kind of person you are inside and how much you value yourself. And based on that, they decide your value. To build your aura, you must value yourself first. Number 2, confident appearance. Wherever you go, carry such confidence that everyone's eyes are on you. The thing that matters the most is your confidence. How you walk, how you speak, how you look. These things matter the most. This is what makes people notice you. If your body language is underconfident and you look scared, no one will be attracted to you. Instead, you will be seen as weak. To create a strong aura, you must build such confidence inside yourself that no one can defeat you. No one can compete with you. Your confidence should be so strong that nothing can break you and nothing affects you. No matter what people say, stay in your own zone. Live your life. When you build this attitude within yourself, everyone will be attracted to you. Your aura will force people to think about you. Number 3, eye contact. Your eyes reveal everything. How much power you have inside. You can dominate and control others with your eyes alone. Whenever someone talks to you, look into their eyes and maintain eye contact. This will make you stronger. The other person will see that you are not afraid, that you are not scared to face others. So no matter who is in front of you, learn to make strong and powerful eye contact. This will increase your aura. Number 4, calmness. To become a powerful person, you must remain calm and peaceful in life. You must control your anger, your feelings, and your emotions. A powerful person does not shout to show how powerful they are. Instead, their self-control shows it. They never overreact. They remain calm, observe things carefully, and then take action accordingly. To build a strong aura, you must learn to stay calm and control your emotions. Only then can you become a powerful person. Number 5, never try to impress. No one is impressed by a person who is constantly trying to please others or chase after them. A powerful person never runs after anyone. They have a mentality that it doesn't matter if someone comes into their life or leaves it. If you keep chasing others, trying to make them happy, trying to impress them, and changing yourself or your identity for someone else, it lowers your personality and damages your aura. No one gets attracted to that. If you abandon your identity and try to become like someone else just to impress them, no matter what you do, you will lose yourself, and you still won't impress anyone. So accept who you are. Own yourself. Improve yourself. Focus on becoming better instead of trying to impress others. Make yourself someone that people get impressed by naturally, someone people talk about, someone people think about on their own. Build such an attitude. This will make your aura so powerful that everyone will think about you. Everyone will try to get you. Your energy will impress others. Wherever you go, all eyes will be on you. If you follow these points, your personality will change 100%. If you're still watching till now, do comment and let us know. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in a new video. Thank you for watching.